Welcome back to Shade Right. It's good to have you here. Yes, some of you have demanded that I make a video on how to shade with the charcoal pencil. And one good thing to note is that how I shade varies based on the brand of charcoal pencil that I'm using. In this video, this brand is the Raffaele soft grade charcoal pencil. And as you can see, what I am doing is making use of the circulism technique of shading. Now, when I make use of this charcoal pencil, what I do is to complete all my layers before I blend at all. Unlike my previous videos on graphite where I blend a layer after shading, for this I just make use of the layers and build up the layers until I get the tone and then I blend. That is the way I work with this particular charcoal pencil. So I'll explain better, but before then, please do well to subscribe to this channel if you have not, and also help share and spread the news to friends and other artists, even art lovers. I really appreciate that. So let's continue. Now you can see that I'm gradually building the tones, making use of the circulism method as I said earlier. Nothing much here, but one of the things that you might want to do when you make use of the charcoal pencil is holding your pencil at a very convenient point for you to balance your pressure, the same as your graphite. For charcoal pencil, you see the way I'm holding this. Sometimes when I'm using some other set of charcoal pencils, I hold it very close to the end, not to the end of the tip, but the other side, like to the very end, because that helps me to balance my pressure and maintain it with them. But in this case, you see my pencil is already a bit short and I still in some way find it convenient to hold my pencil there and still balance my pressure. So if you will not be able to balance your pressure by holding your charcoal pencil this way, you can as well hold it close to the end, not the tip now, close to the end of the pencil, the upper end of the pencil. You may want to do that so that you'll be able to balance your pressure well. And even in the comment section you can drop, because I think what I'll do about this charcoal pencil is that I'll make videos using different brands, which may be just this Raffaele, Generals, maybe Maris charcoal. You can drop your own brand of pencil that you would like me to use in the comment section, and I will see to it if possible to make a video on that. So let's enjoy the video. You can see that I'm not blending at all until I've completely built the tone. Now this is a small brush from a set of makeup brushes. So though I'm not blending in the circulism pattern, just blending straight, as you can see. And when you make use of your charcoal pencil, it's very important that you focus on your reference picture so that you don't overshade, you don't layer so much and then it becomes extremely dark. You'll see from this video that, well, some persons will tell you it's not possible to make use of just a charcoal pencil and then blend and have it smooth. Well, if you will see this well, I think it's actually smooth enough. And what I used are just the things you are seeing here, the pencil and the brush, the brushes that I used to blend. So it's no big deal that you can actually shade and get smooth tone with just your pencil. You don't need anything much. You just need patience. You need balancing of pressure. Yeah, this is my mono zero, just trying to bring out some details of highlights on that part. You can make use of your kneadable eraser if you don't have this. And if there is any other thing you think I should help with on this channel, or a better way to improve, you can also drop that in the comment section. So enjoy the rest of the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.